Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the sautéed BC Spot Prawns in soy sauce. Spot prawn season in BC, Canada starts in mid-May and only runs for 1 month. People usually steam or boil them, but I found sauté them in soy sauce is the most delicious way to cook. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Wash the prawns first. Rinse well. Trim the mouth and the whiskers. Spot prawn's mouth and whiskers are pointy and they may scratch your lips if you don't trim them, while you chew the juicy head. Drain the prawns well and wipe dry with paper towel. Let's prepare the sauce now. Cooking wine, Maggie sauce, soy sauce, unsalted chicken stock, sugar. Mix well. Heat pan at medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Turn to high heat when the pan becomes really hot. Carefully pour the prawns in. Pan fry the prawns for 1 minute at high heat. Flip the prawns now and pan fry for another minute. Add cooking wine. Add sauce. Then stir fry the prawns for 1 minute. Remember, it's always high heat all the way and the pan should be very hot. Stir fry until the sauce is evenly coated with the shrimps, but do not overcook. Scoop out. The prawns are full of flavors, juicy and delicious head. Meat is solid and bouncy, not overcooked and chewy at all. The delicious sautéed BC Spot Prawns in soy sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!